Hey, this is Marcella coming to you quickly, raw and uncut this morning. I've been following a Bitcoin. It's called XRP, ran off the Ripple platform. Ripple is currently under investigation by the SEC. XRP, despite that, have been rallying up and has now reached over $1. Okay, so this may not seem like a lot, right? So I even had to laugh at myself because if you're a big time investor, you may be investing in investment products that may cost more. That's fine. But for the regular everyday investor like me and probably you, $1's cool, right? So before I continue on, I want to give this disclaimer. Hey, this video is for informational purposes. I am not in any way advising, nor am I qualified to advise you on what to purchase, when to purchase, and how to purchase. What I'm going to do is use XRP Bitcoin to kind of talk about how you want to have a trading strategy. Some call it a trading plan. Here at Rubric, we create all types of strategic plan, and trade plans are one of them. I can help you identify when you want to enter and exit a trade. And also judging, understanding, and also analyzing your risk tolerance will determine how you want to do it. Some people may buy some stock off once it increased a factor of 2 to 1. They may offload their original investment by cashing it out so that they're only investing with the house's money. Your level of risk, aversion is yours. It's nothing to be happy or ashamed about. It just is what it is. You trade in accordance to that. Okay? So, with that said, we know this is just an informational video. I'd like to start talking about the strategy that you should use. You determine when you want to go into a trade, but you can have a systematic approach that you use time in and time out to exit a trade and cash out based on whether the market's up or down, whether you're winning or losing money. Okay, so it is important to systematically determine how you want to trade because you want to take the emotion out. If you are going by emotion in your trading, you may get lucky, but over time you will be on a losing end. Okay, so let's talk about some terminology in the market. When a market is rising and rallying up, it's called a bull market because a bull pushes up with its horns. When it's decreasing in value, then it's called a bear market because a bear, uses this motion to push down and attack its prey. In addition to that, if we have a term called going long and going short in the market. If you are going long, you are buying low at retail and you are buying low at wholesale, and you are selling high at retail. This is the method that most people are familiar with. Buy low, sell high. The difference between that is the profit minus any other cost that was associated with that transaction. But you can make money when the market is falling. It's called going short in the market, where you're selling at a higher cost, right? With the anticipation of the market decreasing in value and you again buying at a lower cost. And so the difference between that is the profit. So in this instance, you do the opposite of going long in the market. You sell high and you buy low. So in the case of XRP, it's rallying. So it's seen as, having bullish characteristics. And so the expectation is, anybody that would get in at any particular time that they choose, they would have to determine at what price, and hopefully it would be a higher price. Ideally, they would want to get out. And that's what creating a strategy for entrance and exit is about. You can do various forms of analysis to determine when you get in the market, but just as important, getting out, understanding when you want to get out is just as important as getting in. So this is Marcella, owner of Rubric LLC. If you're interested in creating any type of strategic plan and investing, one-page investing strategic type of plan, or in business or for your personal life, reach out to me at info@erubric.com. The email address is in the bottom of the screen, and I could be followed on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and also Twitter at erubric LLC. Thank you all. I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. If you're on Instagram or any other platform, share this video and definitely like it, and you can follow me. And in all instances, it's either a Rubric LLC and you could search it and you could find me. Thank you all and continue prosperity and success.